My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. On today's video, I teach you how to siphon. So, a long time ago, I had no idea how to siphon. I would be trying to suck on the hose, and if you ever siphon gas that way, it sucks. Don't ever do it. It's awful. It's just dumb. Once you learn how to do it this way, it's dumb. So let me show you how a siphon works, how you can accomplish it pretty easily. And this comes in handy for other things too. If you have a pool and you need to drain it, this is handy. If you have a fish tank, all sorts of good stuff is going to open up once you actually know how to siphon. You don't need one of those jiggly ball things. I bought one once. It lasted about 6 months, and then the ball thing didn't work anymore. It's junk. All you need is a piece of tube. That's it. Let me show you how to do it. You're not going to believe how easy this is. I've got a bucket of water here to demonstrate. So take your tube, submerge the whole thing in. Make sure you stick one end in first so the air can get pushed out by the water. And don't let it come up and out like that. So try and coil it around, get the whole tube under the water, and take your thumb and put it over the end of the hose. Then pull your hose out, keep the other end under the water, and all you gotta do is let go. Oh, make sure it's lower than the water too. And there you go. I hope you can see that. Hope that's in the frame. We're siphoning. That easy. All right, now I know what you're saying. Hey, you put your hand under the water to put your thumb over it. That's not gonna work for your fuel tank. Well, I got a longer piece of hose. It's gonna be a little harder to see it siphoning, but the same principle should work. Really, what needs to happen is you putting your thumb over it is holding the water in the tube. So let's say you get the water up to here in the tube and you put your thumb over it. As long as you can get that lower, or like you need a little bit lower to kind of for gravity to come down and suck the rest out, but as long as you get enough lower, it's not very much, it'll start the siphon. So let me try and demonstrate that real quick. This piece isn't very long either, but imagine you're sticking it in the fuel tank and it's hanging out. I'm going to try and do it right here. I'm going to put my thumb over it, pull it out, and there you go. I hope you can see that on there. It's working. So you don't have to put your hand in the water. It's just easier if you're doing a fish tank or something like that. So this will work on a fuel tank. You just need enough hose to do it. And it needs to be the right tank too. Maybe some tanks have safety features and things like that. Most modern tanks, I think, have like a safety flap or something like that. So that really siphoning only works on the older cars typically, but works pretty well, and it'll work for other things too. I hope you like that tip. I know for a fact that is going to help somebody. For a long time, I had trouble siphoning. I didn't really understand how it worked. I'd get frustrated all the time trying to do it. I bought one of those jiggler things, if you ever seen that with the little ball in there, and you jiggle it and it gets the siphon going. It worked great for a little while, and then it just stopped working a few months later. I don't recommend ever buying one of those. It's going to end up not working eventually, and you're going to be hosed. So yeah, this is a great method. I'm going to give you a bonus method. It's a little risky though. I have also stuck the hose in the tank, put a rag or put a air gun in the gas or the filler neck, put a rag around it to help seal it, and blown in, and I've had that start the siphon. But you run the risk of possibly blowing something out that maybe shouldn't be pressurized. You have to be kind of careful with that one. I would recommend that as a last-ditch effort, but I have had it work in the past, and perhaps on what you're doing it on, if you know what's at risk, maybe it'll work okay. But this method works really well as long as you can stick the hose in there enough to pull it out and have enough in there to siphon, if it's gas or whatever it may be. So I hope you guys like that. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. check out my video right here on why I want to meet Cleetus. And check out my other videos. I do cool stuff. Right now I'm giving a lot of tips and stuff like that. I'm trying to get monetized and grow the channel. You can help me out. Be my best friend here. Like, comment, subscribe. I want to get monetized because I want to go back to building more stuff and creating things. Right now I'm kind of just doing tips and stuff like that to try and get monetized. I'm spending too much money building stuff and I need to get some money coming in. So please help me out with that. Please, please, please. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm doing a video every day. So I appreciate everyone that's been tuning in every day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.